Hello everyone, I am Zayan. Welcome to my channel My Fun Hut. Today I am going to show you how to solve the third and final layer of the Rubik's Cube. So first you have to make the yellow cross. So yellow cross is supposed to look like this. There are three cases to make it and I am going to go over all three. So the first case you can get is just a dot. No edge is correctly oriented. So for this you have to do is turn the front side like this. Bring these two over here. Put these two over here. Bring the right side down back to the spot. Put these two in this spot and then put the front side back down. Now you can see it's made the next case. I'm going to show you this case again. So it's just a dot. Then you have to do this. The front side up. Bring these two over here. Put these two over here. Bring the right side down. Put these two back in its spot and put the front side back down. So the next case you can get is the L shape. Ignore the corners. So this is the L shape. So make sure that one of the edges is facing towards you and the other edge is facing towards the right side. So then do the same algorithm. Bring the front side back up. Then bring the right side here. Put these two over here. Put the right side back down. Bring these two back to its spot and bring the front side back down. So the next case you can get is the line shape. So this is the line, and if you get this case, make sure you're holding it with no edges oriented towards you. Don't hold it like this, otherwise it will take you back to the first case. So hold it like this. Then do the same algorithm. Put the front side up. Take the right side here. Put these two over here. Bring the right side back down. Bring these two back to its spot and bring the front side back to its spot. Now the cross is made. After making the cross, we have to put in all the right edges in their spots. So for me, this edge is already solved. So what you can do for putting the edges in their spot, you have to swap the edges. So I'm going to swap these two edges by doing this algorithm. So bring the right side up, put these two over here, bring the right side down, put this over here, and then insert these two over in its spot, and then turn the upper layer once. Now the blue edge, it's in its spot. I'll show it to you one more time. So the blue edge is here, it is supposed to go here. So then I'm going to do this algorithm. R, put these two over here, bring these two down, put this over here, then insert these two in their spot, and then do a U. Now this edge is in its spot. Now we have to swap these two edges, so we can do the same algorithm. So R, put these two over there, bring the right side down, put this over here, and then insert the edge in the corner. So the next case you can get is the two edges are diagonally across. So for this you can do is swap these two, any two edges. So I'm going to swap these two by doing the same algorithm. And then I'm going to swap these two. And finally swap these two edges. So the last case you can get is none of the edges are solved. So if you get this case, just turn the upper layer once or twice and you might get some of them solved. For me, all of them are. So after solving all the edges, you have to put all the corners in their right spot. So first you have to check that whether or not any corner is in its right spot. For me, none of them are. So if none of them are in the right spot, you can do this algorithm. So bring the left side up, put these two over here, bring the right side up, put these two back over here, bring the left side down, put these two back over here, and bring the right side down, and then do a U. Now for me the yellow, blue and orange corner is in its right spot. So if a corner is in its right spot, you have to hold it on the bottom right and do the same algorithm. So bring the left side up, put these two over here. Bring the right side up, put these two back here. Bring the left side down, put these two over here back, and then bring the right side down and do a U-prime. Now all the corners are in their spots. Although they are not rotated the right way, they are in their spots. So after putting all the corners in the right spot, you have to turn them the right way so the cube is solved. So the first case you can get is there's only the cross and the edge, and the corners are facing like this. So if you get this case, make sure the two facing the same way are on your right side. So then do the edge swapping algorithm. And instead of doing that last U, we should do the edge swapping algorithm but on the left side. So bring the left side up, put these two over here. Bring the left side down, do a U, bring the left side up and insert the corner and the edge. Now these two are solved. Now we have to solve these two. So you are supposed to do the same thing. And do it on the left side. So the next case you can get is only two corners are solved and the other two are not. So if you get this case, make sure the corner that is solved is on your bottom right and the one which is unsolved is on your top right. So then do the same algorithm. And now do it on the left side. Then you'll get this case which you can solve by doing the same algorithm. So the next case you can get is only one of the corners is solved and the three of them are not. So if you get this case, make sure that the solved corner is on your bottom left and in the top right the corner should face towards the right side, and then do the same algorithm. Then you'll get this case which you can solve like this. Then finally this case which you can also solve by the same algorithm. So the last and final case is sometimes instead of the two corners facing the same direction, they face the opposite direction. So if you get this case, make sure the unsolved corners are on your right and you have to do the same algorithm. Then you'll get this case which you can solve by doing the same algorithm again. Now the cube is solved. I hope you guys now know how to solve all the three layers of the Rubik's Cube. Do check out part 1 and part 2. This is the easy method for beginners. You too try it. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, share and click the notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Bye!